Let me show you how to fold a stylish and modern origami heart. To make this heart, all you need is an A4 sheet of paper in any color you like. Follow the steps as shown in the video. First, fold the shorter side of the paper over the longer side diagonally. Repeat the same fold in the opposite direction. Rotate the paper. You will see a central point created by the previous fold. Fold the shorter side of the paper toward this center point, then unfold. Rotate the paper again and fold along the creases to form a triangle. Now, fold the right corner of the triangle up to meet the top corner. Do the same with the left corner. Next, fold the right edge of the paper toward the center. And repeat with the left edge. Fold the bottom edge upward as shown, then rotate the paper. Bring the top corner down. Unfold, fold the paper in half. Unfold again, and rotate. Fold the top corner down once more. Now, fold the bottom right edge toward the center line, and repeat with the left edge. Tuck both corners inside.